What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB and welcome to week number 42 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, October 15th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. And I actually did for a change. So let's go ahead and dive into the tracker and get right into it. This week I didn't deposit any cash. I was going to, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and invest in other things like crypto, like Ethereum, and also a little bit of Bitcoin. So I use that cash for that as opposed to this. So the next few weeks I'll be putting it back into this. But as of last week, we're at 11,873.20, which still gives us a grand total of 93.50. I did not buy any more shares this week of anything, and I think I still have about like $1,900 or $1,500 worth of buying power. So if an opportunity does come up, I'm still good for it. And I think moving forward, guys, for me personally, my strategy is going to be, if there isn't a sell-off, a correction, or a crash, I'm not buying any more high-risk plays. I'm going to just continue to dollar cost average in my dividend plays and my stable plays, as in like Apple and Nike. But other than that, I'm not buying any more plays unless one of those three things happens. I'm not getting caught holding the bag, because I was going through my transactions, and yeah, if I would have just did that and waited, like I wouldn't be in this position right now as I am. Some of them I bought in too high, but some of them I didn't. I just bought in when Chris told us to, and still it's extremely high. The plays still went up, but if I just would have waited, been patient on a crash, correction, or a sell-off, then I still would have been fine. So, but with that being said, guys, I did not buy any options at all. And let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. I'm sitting at 12,123.15. And for the week, not too bad, up 2%. Buying power's at 1604.39. Charge point for the week did very, very well. A little bit above 7%. I'll take that all day. Total return, a little bit above 4.3 with an average cost of $18.92. And I have 75 shares of this. F point for the week, down a little bit above 1.5%. Market value $13.1130, down above 40%. The average cost of $14.40 on that with 155 shares. AMC with a good bounce back this week, up 8.6%. Market value is $8.03. I'm about flat on total return. Average cost is $40.03, 20 shares of this. Future FinTech for the week, almost 1%. Total market value $22.24.25, still down 40% in this play with average cost of $3.63 with 1,000 shares of that. Nike for the week, almost 4%. Total return above 5% with an average cost of $150.32. Now getting into our dividend plays. Crestwood equity, 4%. Market value $293.05. Total return 71% with an average cost of $17.48. And my best play so far in this whole entire journey has been IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. This week up a little bit above 2.5%. Market value $724.21. Total return 36% with average cost of $175.39. Now diving into my completed transfers tab. As you can see, again, the last deposit that I made was still September 20th. And again, I invested in crypto instead of buying or building out more of my position in this portfolio. So the next 2 weeks or so, I'll put more into this one and probably get some more Crestwood equity or some Nike. But guys, let me know down below if Chris has shown any of his plays in the past, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks, because I still haven't seen anything in the past 2 or 3 months. So yeah, I'm really curious of like what his price points are at and how much he's actually increasing in one of his plays, because I haven't seen it. But if you made this far in the video, hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.